Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this question on equation of a circle. It says we should find the equation of the circle centered 2, 3, which passes through the y-intercept of the line 3x minus y plus 2 plus 6 is equals to 0. Now there are two important things you must know about this line 3x minus y plus 6 is equals to 0. Number one, it has its center at 2, 3. That is, at the center, x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 3. And this line has an intercept on the y-axis. Since this line has an intercept on the y-axis, that means at the point when x is equals to 0, then y has a value. Now let's find that value first. My equation says 3x minus 2y plus 6 equals 0. So that 3 now into x is equals to 0 minus 2y plus 6 equals 0. Obviously, this is 0 plus 6, that becomes 6, minus 2y equals 0. So that minus 2y is equals to minus 6. Y obviously equals minus 6 over minus 2y, which is equals to 3. So at the point when x is equals to 0, obviously y is equals to 3. And the center of this circle is at the point 2 and 3. I can use these 2 points to find the radius r of the circle. So that my radius r, which is distance between 2 points, will come from r squared to be equals to x2 minus x1 all squared plus y2 minus y1 all squared. Let's refer to this as my x2, y2, and this as my x1, y1. So that my r squared now will be the same thing as x2 now will be 2 minus 0 all squared plus y2 now will be 3 minus 3 all squared. So that r squared will come from 2 squared plus 0 squared. That's equals to 4. Obviously, r, which is the radius of this circle, is equals to 2. Now, since I've gotten r, I can now form the equation of this circle. The equation of this circle, remember the formula for equation of the circle says x minus a all squared plus y minus b all squared is equals to r squared, where my a and b strictly refers to the center of the circle. Then my a and b obviously is my point 2, 3. So that my x now minus 2 all squared plus y minus 3 all squared is equals to r squared. Now this is the equation of the circle. You can decide to stop at this point, or you can go further by expanding it. Let's expand it. We have that x minus 2 all squared plus y minus 3 all squared equals r squared. If I expand this becomes x squared minus 2x minus 2x plus 4. Now this is plus y squared minus 3y minus 3y plus 9 equals r squared. So that I'll have x squared minus 4x plus 4 plus y squared minus 6y plus 9 equals r squared. That r is equals to 2, so r squared will be same thing as 4. Let's rearrange so that I'll have x squared plus y squared minus 4x minus 6y. Since I have plus 4 here, I have plus 4 here, that automatically becomes 0. Or if you want to do it this way, this becomes equals 4 minus 4 minus 9. So that this is x squared plus y squared minus 4x minus 6y equals minus 9. Now this is the equation of this circle. With this, I hope you understood how I went about solving for equation of the circle. Thank you for staying with us and see you in our next class.